The U.S. Supreme Court has rejected President Donald Trump's bid to end birthright citizenship. The decision keeps intact one of the country's oldest constitutional protections for millions of immigrants' families, and it also brings relief after months of uncertainty. Now, the Indian American advocacy groups and lawmakers have welcomed the ruling with cheers. They said that it reaffirms a simple principle that has stood for more than 150 years, which is nearly every child born on American soil is a U.S. citizen. For many immigrant communities, the decision was more than another court ruling. It has answered a question that has been hanging over thousands of households. And amongst those watching the case very closely were Indian Americans. They are one of the fastest growing immigrant communities in the United States of America. Now, many families, including parents working on the H-1B visa or other temporary work permits while raising children who were born in America. The H-1B program is another reason the ruling matters. Indian nationals accounted for about 71% of all H-1B visa recipients in 2024, and that means a large number of skilled professionals could have been directly affected if birthright citizenship had been changed. And according to the U.S. Census Bureau figures cited by the Pew Research Center, about 5.2 million people have identified themselves as Indian in the United States of America in 2023, and around 60% of the Indian immigrants have lived in the country for more than 10 years. And more than half, that is about 51%, are now U.S. citizens, while the other half are not. At the same time, the Justice Department has announced that it will continue to pursue what it describes as birth tourism across the country. Officials said that the prosecutors will prioritize investigations into cases where individuals allegedly misrepresented the purpose of their travel or submitted false information during the visa application process. The department stressed that the Supreme Court's decision protects constitutional birthright citizenship but does not shield fraud.